Welcome to the Nightingale. Hey everyone and welcome. If you're looking for an amazing place to stay in Ioannina, Greece, you've got to check this place out. I'm so excited to tell you all about the Nightingale. Before we dive in, don't forget to scan that QR code on the screen right now. It'll take you straight to their website. Okay, so picture this. You arrive in beautiful Ioannina, ready to explore, and you check into the Nightingale. Right away, you're hit with this super cozy and charming vibe. It's a 3-star hotel, but trust me, it feels like a total hidden gem. The atmosphere is just so inviting, perfect for relaxing after a day of exploring all the incredible things Ioannina has to offer. They've blended modern amenities with that classic Greek hospitality that makes you feel right at home. The staff is fantastic, always ready to help with a smile. Now, let's talk about the practical stuff. Check-in starts at 3 p.m., which gives you plenty of time to settle in before you start your adventures. When it's time to say goodbye, check-out is at 11 a.m., making sure everything runs smoothly for the next guests. Oh, and here's a tip. They have free Wi-Fi, perfect for sharing all your amazing vacation photos and videos, and also parking, which is super handy. While the Nightingale welcomes children, it's worth noting there may be additional fees for their stay, so just keep that in mind when you're planning your trip. The Nightingale is the perfect base for your Ioannina experience. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or maybe a solo trip to find yourself, the Nightingale is waiting with open arms. They'll make sure you have a comfortable and memorable time. So, are you ready to book your stay? Head over to their website, that QR code again, and get your trip to Ioannina booked. You won't regret it.